Hello everyone, it's nice to meet you on YouTube in a video. First of all, let me introduce myself. Winsun, the global leader in 3D printing architecture, is the first high-tech enterprise in the world to truly realize 3D printing architecture. Winsun has been focusing on the R&D and production of 3D printing intelligent equipment, 3D printing digital technology, new construction materials, and 3D printing buildings for nearly 20 years, and has 350 national patents, including more than 60 invention patents, 156 kinds of solid waste cycle, digital new materials have been successfully developed, the strength of which can span from C30 to C150. Winsun's 3D printed buildings are suitable for different application scenarios and have been widely used in municipal, water conservancy, transportation, construction, and other fields. At the same time, the R&D of 3D printing equipment and the follow-up development of supporting software have achieved a breakthrough in the portability from factory printing to on-site printing. 3D printing technology is probably familiar to everyone. It is used in jewelry, footwear, industrial design, architecture, engineering and construction, automotive, aerospace, dental and medical industries, education, and other fields. However, we are more concerned about the application of this technology in the field of architecture. In 2014, we printed a batch of engineering houses in Shanghai, China, making us one of the earliest companies in the world to build houses using 3D printed concrete technology. After years of research and practice, Winsun has not only realized the updating and iteration of printing machines, but also completed many 3D printing construction projects at home and abroad. For example, in 2016, we printed the first fully functional 3D printed building for Dubai, as well as the world's first 3D printed office. Notably, the project won a Guinness World Record for the world's first 3D printed commercial building. At the same time, Winsun has been adhering to the concept of building more environmentally friendly houses with lower cost, and has used 3D printing technology to build many affordable houses for poor residents in Brazil, Nigeria, Abu Dhabi, and other places, helping to solve the local housing crisis. In China, Winsun hopes to use 3D printing construction technology to coordinate the disposal of industrial solid waste, mine tailings, construction waste, and other solid waste resources to achieve the goal of low-carbon urban construction. At present, Winsun has established cooperative relationships with major steel enterprises in China to help them solve the problems of steel slag and slag disposal. Of course, we also printed various buildings. 1,100 square meters of villa, Chinese traditional cultural characteristics of the courtyard, unique shaped buildings, water drop house, egg-shaped hut, etc. We also created an art landscape park using 3D printing technology. Now, we open this channel not only to let friends who are interested in 3D printing technology, more relevant enterprises, industry information, it is also to show Winsun, hoping that more like-minded friends can join Winsun, jointly realize the use of 3D printing construction technology to build green, efficient, and economical housing, and contribute to the sustainable development of the Earth. Next, I will set 3 columns in this channel, which are the latest production information, classic cases review, and daily shooting record. The purpose of this channel is to release the latest corporate news and industry news so that you can grasp the breakthrough of 3D printing building technology. If you're interested, subscribe to this channel and I'll keep you updated. Just so you know, the next video is about a project that recently landed in Japan, a 3D printed Martian migrant house.